how to do it. And we also got some of these checklists were from the businesses. Like we've gotten a hotel actual checklist from their housekeeping department because, like I said, we wanted to make as real life as possible. So when the students graduate and can have potential jobs, they can jump right in and actually impress them. We've had businesses come from outside, different hotel employers or people that work in nursing homes, and they're very impressed with what the students do because they never realize how much work and effort goes in. So we like to keep them learning more and more every year. So when they do get a job, they could just jump right in and impress them. And we like to have our students shine out there so they know what to do.
We stayed in a hotel in Switzerland.
Yeah.
They had special needs children.
Oh, working there?
They even painted, let them paint the whole hotel.
Oh, awesome. That's pretty cool.
And the kids were in the restaurant.
Nice. That's amazing.
They were doing, the cleaning and everything. So if we miss anything, we have to call and let them know.
Right, and like I was saying earlier, people make mistakes all the time. I make mistakes, so maybe I might forget something. So, and that's okay.
Yeah, when we booked, it said, there will be like special needs.
Oh, that's
so
awesome.
Purposely,
you did that on purpose. You wanted to go see how it was, have Joachim get to see it. That's really cool.
And we took pictures. The only thing is, they didn't speak English. They all spoke Swiss German.
Oh, okay.
But few of them understood,